Before buying 18-ounce boxing gloves, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. It's not just about the price or the brand. It's about how they feel during those intense training sessions. Product number 1, RDX Boxing Gloves. Let's kick things off with the RDX Boxing Gloves. Priced at $37.99. These gloves caught my eye because they're labeled a bestseller with a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 17,600 reviews. If you want a glove that offers solid performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These gloves feature Quadro-Dome 3 padding, which effectively disperses impact. This is key if you're worried about accuracy during training, as it means you can hit harder without worrying about damaging your hands. The Maya hide leather adds durability, ensuring these gloves can take a beating during your training sessions. With ventilation holes, your hands stay cool and sweat-free, which is a game changer during long workouts. Now, some users mentioned that the sizing can feel a bit off, particularly if you have larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to try them on or follow the sizing guide closely, you'll likely find a comfortable fit. This is perfect for you if you're a serious trainer looking for reliability without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need gloves specifically designed for competition-level performance, but for training, they offer great value. Now, if the sizing issue is concern for you, the next product might just address that perfectly. Product number 2, RDX Boxing Gloves, Alternative Style. Next up, we have another option from RDX, and yes, it comes at the same price of $37.99 and the same impressive 4.7-star rating. If you're still considering gloves that are well-rated and affordable, this is also worth a serious look. Like the previous pair, these RDX gloves also use the Quadro-Dome 3 padding for impact dispersion, so you're covered in terms of hand safety. The full wraparound wrist support is great for keeping your wrist stable during heavy punches, which is crucial if you're training hard. They also share that sweat-wicking design, so you're not left with soggy hands after a few rounds. A few users complained that they struggled with the break-in period, finding them a bit stiff at first. I'll be real with you. While that can be annoying, it's often the case with any new glove. Just give them some time, and they'll soften up nicely. This is perfect for you if you want reliable training gloves that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you need something ready to go right out of the box, as they might take some time to adjust to your hands. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more versatility. Product number 3, RDX MMA Gloves. Now let's look at the RDX MMA gloves, which are priced slightly lower at $32.99. With a 4.5-star rating from about 4,700 reviews, these gloves are a strong contender if you need something that can handle more than just boxing. These gloves are actually a hybrid design, meaning they work great for both striking and grappling. The open palm design gives you flexibility, allowing for better grip and control during MMA or BJJ training. Plus, the Quadro-Dome padding still provides solid impact protection, ensuring your hands are safe when throwing punches. Some users mentioned that the open palm design may not offer enough cushioning for those strictly focused on boxing. Here's the thing though, if you're multidisciplinary, these gloves fit the bill perfectly. If you're exclusively boxing, you might want to stick with more traditional designs. This is perfect for you if you're looking to train across different martial arts disciplines. Skip this one if you want gloves strictly for boxing, but they're a great value for the price considering their versatility. If the open palm design isn't what you need, the next one is a more traditional full coverage glove. Product number 4, RDX Hybrid Sparring Gloves. Next, we have the RDX Hybrid Sparring Gloves, also at $32.99 and sharing the same solid rating of 4.5 stars. These gloves caught my attention because they truly aim to blend the best of both worlds for sparring. Like the previous gloves, they feature that Quadro-Dome padding for impact dispersion, which is essential for protecting your hands. They also come with a triple lock strap for excellent wrist support, so you can feel secure while throwing punches. The ergonomic design helps them fit comfortably, making them less bulky and easier to move in. However, a few users pointed out that they felt the gloves were a bit heavier than expected. Honestly, while that might be a con for some, If you're used to heavier gloves, this might not be an issue for you. It's worth considering how you like your gear to feel. This is perfect for you if you enjoy sparring and need a balanced glove that provides support without sacrificing mobility. Skip this one if you prefer lighter gloves, as the weight might slow you down. Now, if weight is a concern for you, the last pair on our list might be a lighter option. Product number 5, RDX MMA Sparring Gloves, final option. Finally, we have another pair of RDX MMA Sparring Gloves, also priced at $32.99. These gloves have earned their spot with a solid reputation, boasting that same 4.5-star rating. These gloves focus on providing a lightweight feel while still ensuring you have that great wrist support. The open palm design allows for excellent airflow and enhances your grip, which can be a lifesaver during intense training sessions. They're designed to adapt with your hand movement, so you won't feel restricted. Some users have commented that the longevity isn't quite as good as some heavier gloves, often wearing down quicker with intense use. Here's the thing though, if you're a frequent user, you might need to replace gloves more often, but the lightweight feel might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a glove that allows for natural hand movement during training. Skip this one if you need something that will last for multiple years under heavy use, as they may require replacing sooner. Now, let's wrap everything up and compare all 5 of these options. To sum it all up, we covered some fantastic options. The RDX glove for budget-friendly performance, their alternative style for a similar price, the hybrid MMA gloves for multidiscipline training, RDX hybrid sparring gloves, and finally, the lightweight MMA gloves for flexibility. Each option has its pros and cons, but hopefully you found the perfect fit for your training needs.